Hi everyone, welcome to my class Maths with Victor. Kindly follow, like and share my Facebook page with all your friends and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can enjoy my maths content. Today we have a problem on the board. We are asked to simplify 81 over 16 raised to the power minus 3 over 4 times bracket opens 25 over 9 all raised to the power minus 3 over 2 divided by 5 over 2 all raised to the power minus 3. Of course, this is actually very, very simple if we apply the laws of indices. So we begin from this expression. I want you to notice the powers here, and the powers here. They are all negative powers. They have minus, minus, minus. And in our previous class, we talked about negative powers of indices, that we can actually convert all negative powers to positive powers. We can change this minus to plus. But if we do that, we must reciprocate. We must turn this expression upside down. So if we do that, this becomes 16 over 81 instead of 81 over 16. The numerator becomes the denominator. The denominator becomes the numerator. So once we turn the expression upside, we reciprocate the expression. The power changes from minus to plus. We have 3 over 4. Then times. We can apply the principle here. So instead of 25 over 9, we have 9 over 25. The power changes from minus to plus 3 over 2. Divided by applying the same principle, it changes to 2 over 5, and the power changes to plus 3. So we've simplified from here to here. So we can continue from here. So we look at this expression, 16 and 81. 16 is the same as 2 raised to the power 4 all over 81 is the same as 3 raised to the power 4. So 16 is 2 raised to the power 4. 81 is 3 raised to the power 4. And I still have raised to the power 3 over 4. Times 9 is the same as 3 raised to the power 2. And 25 is the same as 5 raised to the power 2. And I still have raised to the power 3 over 2. Divided by 2 over 5 raised to the power 3. So we have simplified further. So we have raised to the power 4 here, raised to the power 4 here is a common power to both numerator and denominator. We have raised to the power 2, raised to the power 2 is a common power to both numerator and denominator. So we can bring it out as 2 over 3 all raised to the power 4. This raised to the power 4 is this power and this power. It's for both numerator and denominator. So we can actually bring it outside the bracket. And then we still have times 3 over 4. In the laws of indices, when you have a power, another power, you can multiply the two powers together. Times, we have a common power here, so we can bring it out 3 over 5 all raised to the power 2. And we can multiply with the next power 3 over 2. Then divided by 2 over 5 raised to the power 3. So when we multiply this, 4, we cancel 4, and 2, we cancel 2. So we have 2 over 3 raised to the power 3 left from this side. 2 over 3 raised to the power 3 times a bracket, we have 3 over 5. We've cancelled 2 and 2, so raised to the power 3 is left, raised to the power 3, and then divided by 2 over 5 raised to the power 3. So we can still simplify. What is 2 raised to the power 3? 2 raised to the power 3 is 8 over 3 raised to the power 3 is 27, because the powers is for both numerator and denominator. Times, we have a bracket. 3 raised to the power 3 is 27 over 5 raised to the power 3 is 125. 5 times 5, 25. 25 times 5, 125. Divided by 2 raised to the power 3 is 8 over 5 raised to the power 3, 125. So we can simplify further. So we have 8 over 27 times, open a bracket, 27 over 125. In fractions, when we have division of fractions, we can change the division sign to multiplication, and then we reciprocate. We turn this upside down. So 25 comes up and 8 comes down. So we have this. So what do we do next? This is 8 over 27 times 27 over 125 times 125 over 8. So 27 divide 27, 125 divide 125, 8 divide 8, and we're left with 1 as the final answer. It's actually very easy when we understand and apply the laws of indices. Thank you, and kindly